Hey everyone, welcome to my update on this channel. You may have seen a multitude of videos, of course, covering different areas. That's something that I really wanted to split up into a couple channels. One for, specifically for those who are looking just for the bus build videos. I am starting another channel. I'm moving a lot of the videos over there. It's going to be called EJ the Bus. Now, all my videos related to my mobile home, I am going to keep, again, I have not deleted any of the bus build videos, so any of those who you've been enjoying those, please go to EJ the Bus, subscribe there. You're definitely welcome to review, comment, like, share. That would be great. I think this will be helpful for all of me and also for you, the watcher, so that you're getting, getting to a channel where the videos are more interested of what you like to watch and see and comment on. I think that will help quite a bit. So just to let you know, also recently I haven't done a lot of videos. One is getting cold. So I'm not doing a lot outside. I will tell you that the fun part of back surgery has been interesting. I haven't posted anything about that. I'll only say that, of course, it's kind of put a dent on things. However, let's just say the surgery was very successful. It'll just take time to heal. Obviously, I'm doing better now than I was a few weeks ago. So anyway, I will put a link to EJ the Bus in the description below to make that easier for all of you to find. I appreciate the subscribers that I have now. I know some of you may move over to EJ the Bus, which is perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. So I look forward to, in the next maybe a month or so, probably a couple months, just a recovery time and things, that I will do more videos on this channel, anything related to living in my mobile home. Hopefully that helps others who have mobile homes, questions they might have, things I've done to make mine suited a little better for living in, how I've improved it. And again, the bus will be separate. So again, everyone, thanks for watching. I look forward to do more videos this spring.